ano, Thursday pa lang yun.
Ngayong gabi siya may live out.
Oo, condition kasi sabi niya kung mga gala-gala daw, kawawa naman.
O bakit yan eh? Siya nag-message naman. Alam nga naman ikaw ang mag-reach out. Hoy, ay si may message ka.
Sa araw, kasi maraming tao.
Masyado tayong sa pagtatrabaho. Alam mo tayo, grabe yung kaya pala daming gusto magpuyat.
Ay, hindi. Hindi pa Thursday.
Ngayon pa lang
Thursday pa lang. Akala ko naman.
Ganun talaga. Alam mo, masyado tayong
Sino
busy.
nga ba siya? Sa puso mo.
Maghanap ka ng hand language at saka facial expression lang sa TikTok.
Sige, hanap tayo.
Hanap ka dyan sa TikTok mo. I-atras ko ng kaunti.
Sana kay Dudong, hindi ko papauwiin.
Uy! May apat tayong viewers. Tagasunod. Likes please. Oh, may nagpumuso na. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Available pa si Kumar.
Oh, single.
Papaaral ko kayo.
Single for life.
Sino gusto magpaaral?
Oh,
Si
may
Present.
mga
Raise your
puso.
hand.
Oh, 15 na kaagad, Miss Michelle. Thank you for the likes. Likes, please. Thank you so much. Hello. Hi, Nalia. Life. Hello. Thank you so much.
Thursday pa pala ngayon.
We're so busy kasi. My
Oh,
God.
friends.
Hi. Hello. Uy, natuwa ako bigla. Ang dami minsan.
Panalo.
Hi, Von Reaper. Hi, Natalia. Faith. Hello ba? I'll get back to you guys. So, sorry right now I can't respond to the messages, but yes, I will get back to you. Lagyan ko sila ng moderator.
Ha?
I-moderate ko muna sila.
Moderate.
As a moderator, may mga ganun kasi yun daw. Hi! Hello! Hello, hello! Thank you so much! May nag-message near, ano daw tayo? Saan tayo?
Sa Qatar.
I love you. I love you too!
I love you, Tree.
Yeah. Thank you so much for the likes, guys. I'll get back to you, I promise. For now, I can't respond to all the messages, but I will get back to you. Thank you so much. Likes, please, and subscribe. Hi, I love you too. Oh, I wish you had 1K. Ah, yes, I have more than 1K. 1K follower. Yes. Hello, Bon. Thank you so much. Hello, hello, hello. Hi, Jim. Hello from Lebanon. How are you? Thank you so much for fun. Thank you. Hello to you. Hello from to Lebanon from Qatar. Thank you so much for the likes, guys. Love you. Do you want to visit Lebanon?
Inshallah.
Inshallah, we want to visit Lebanon.
Inshallah.
Single her, single. What
Yes.
single? Single for life.
Single for life.
I will subscribe to you too. For now, I can't respond. Yes.
Invite mo siya sa camera.
Ay, oo.
Parang i-invite, meron dyan invite sa camera. Hindi naman dyan sa settings. Dito o sa more. Parang dyan sa ano, may invite mo siya, makikita mo yan siya. Katulad rin nag-tiktok ko.
Wala pa siya. Wala.